Transform your ordinary text into extraordinary designs by learning how to curve and bend it in Photoshop. Let's dive right in and see how to make your text truly pop. First, open up Photoshop and create a new document. For this example, I'll make mine a standard 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now, grab your type tool while the big T icon, click on your canvas and type out whatever words you want to shape. I'm going to type awesome text. With your text layers selected, we're going to use Photoshop's powerful type warp feature. Look for the warp text icon in the options bar at the top of your screen. It looks like a bent T. Clicking this icon opens the warp text dialog box. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled style. This drop-down is full of amazing presets. We have options like arc, flag, fishtail, and many more. For a simple curve, let's choose arc. Once you select arc, you'll notice your text immediately bends, but we're not done yet. Below the style drop-down, you have bend, distort horizontally, and distort vertically. Use the bend slider to control how much your text curves. Moving it to the right will create an upward arc, and to the left will create a downward arc. The distort sliders allow for even finer control, letting you squash or stretch your text for more unique effects. Play around with these to achieve the exact look you desire. Once you're happy with the warp, simply click OK and your text is beautifully shaped. And there you have it, beautifully curved text ready to enhance any design. Experiment with different styles and settings to unlock endless creative possibilities.